Welcome back, guys. So today the task is to tackle all this wilderness. As you can probably see, I've left it for too long, and now I'm gonna make a change and cut all of this down. So it's in pretty rough shape, and what I'll be using to do this will be this MAKITA. Yeah, so let's get going. So that thing really powered through all of these, and even small trees here, which is the size of a thumb, and multiple of them. The only thing that it doesn't do well is like thick grass. It will be caught up in the blade, and it will slow down and eventually stall. But yeah, really recommend that machine. I'll put it in the description below. Now this one is absolutely amazing. You saw me use it, and it shreds. It just fucking shreds. It's easy pull start, and it'll just go on and on and on. Yeah, and everything you saw me do is not even a full tank, so it's also good on fuel economy. Yeah, easy to use. I love this thing. Make sure you get this blade instead of the old plastic strings. Those will just leave plastic all over your yard, and they don't work for shit. These ones will even take these finger-sized bushes and just shred them up completely. So yeah, love this thing. Okay, well, I started doing this, and unfortunately I didn't get all of it on camera. But there was a lot of brush that needed to be cut down. So this is a combination of just shears and a little chainsaw. It was about twice as big before. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. Now I just need to get it removed. I'll be a project for another day. In the meantime, I bought a new, well, I say new to me, mower. This one. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, you see the brand here, and it has a Briggs & Stratton motor. I don't know how many horsepower it is, but it's pretty easy to start. Has self-drive and a collector. So I just do this, give it a yank. Yeah, happy about that machine. Starts easy and rips through anything.